Hey, I'm Sebastian with Contemporary Automotive in Milford, and today I'm going to show you how to use the passenger side screen on your Grand Wagoneer. Now you do need the vehicle on to work the camera. Your power button is right over here. After you press that, you'll get this screen over here with a few different options and features that you can use. You could even go and help the driver as he's backing up. You have the full camera assorted options right here. Front facing, forward cameras, the backup camera. You have every single camera available to the driver right here, so you can help him steer if that's really what you want. You can even check the fam cam from here, which is inside the vehicle. A sort of way to kind of just check up on everybody in here. And back to the home setting, you have your devices on here, wireless headphones that can be connected, and USB ports. Those are going to be the ones right over here, as well as the HDMI port right on the side over here. You'll be able to connect through those, watch movies. Realistically, you can set up even as far as a DVD player or anything like that. Gaming system on the into the vehicle. You do have the 115 volt power outlet, which would allow you to give it power, and you could play it right on the screen right here. Also listen to all your audio, some notifications from the vehicle, and your different controls for the screen, headphone volume, and your system brightness, as well as just turning the screen on and off when you don't want to use it anymore. Just something to keep in mind is that your driver won't be able to see what's on the screen because of the angle that he's sitting at, so it won't be a distraction to him no matter what you're doing on the screen. I'm Sebastian with Contemporary Automotive, and I hope this was helpful.